Module number 11, automotive collision centers. Building relationships with those professionals can do quality assessments on your patient's vehicle. And this is a big problem. I've experienced that patients didn't know where to bring their car, and I want to give them good recommendations. But unfortunately, a lot of body shops are not doing the work that they need to, and they're cutting corners, using aftermarket parts, not looking at the bumper isolators, not looking at the seatbelt mechanisms, seatbelt anchors, tear down of the bumper cover, just to name a few. And some manufacturers recommend that every seatbelt mechanism should be replaced following a car crash, because invariably if there's a second crash, it may not respond correctly. So the seatbelt tensioners and all these things, and all of these factors, a laser analysis of the frame can make a huge difference. And we know that some body shops are also offering discounts to insurance companies for referrals. And I don't know about you, if my car is being repaired, I'm bringing it to the manufacturer because they have a requirement in how that vehicle should be repaired based on that manual. Building relationships with them is positive in a way that's going to be win-win. But we never want to engage in any cash, gift card, anything in that aspect will completely destroy your practice if it's ever recognized. It's not something you want to do. But building a relationship where you can cross-refer could be a positive win-win opportunity. So jump into this module. There's a lot of nuggets in there. Also factors based on manuals from insurance companies that they use, as well as the auto body questionnaire. This could be huge for your patient's benefits, as well as the management of how their vehicle should be repaired. So best of luck in this module. Any questions, please email us, and we look forward to hearing your results.